નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, સીડ ઓફિસર ક્લાસ 2ની એક્ઝામ પ્રિપરેશન માટે એસડીઓની એમસીક્યુની સિરીઝની આપણે શરૂઆત કરી હતી, જેનો 14મો પાર્ટ છે સોઇલ સાયન્સ, અર્થ એન્ડ અર્થ ક્રસ્ટ, ધ ઓરિજિન ઓફ સોઇલ, ઇટ્સ ક્લાસિફિકેશન એન્ડ ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન, ઇટ્સ નોન એઝ પેડોલોજી, ધ સ્ટડી ઓફ વેરિયસ પ્રોપર્ટીઝ ઓફ સોઇલ ઇન રિલેશન ટુ ક્રોપ પ્રોડક્શન, એડેફોલોજી, the outermost 10-mile strata of lithosphere is known as earth crust. The solid zone of earth sphere is known as lithosphere. The fourth most abundant element in earth crust is iron. પહેલું કયું છે? ઓક્સિજન 46% હોય અર્થ ક્રસ્ટની અંદર, સિલિકોન છે 27%, એલ્યુમિનિયમ 8%, ફેરસ છે 5%. તો ફોર્થ મોસ્ટ તો એ આપણે ફેરસ એની 5% હોય છે. મોસ્ટ ઓફ ધી હાર્ડ નેચરલી ફોર્મ સબસ્ટન્સ ઇઝ રિફર્ડ એઝ રોક. સોલિડ ઝોન ઓફ અર્થ સ્ફિયર ઇઝ લિથોસ્ફિયર. વોટર ફોર્મિંગ ઝોન ઓફ અર્થ સ્ફિયર ઇઝ હાઇડ્રોસ્ફિયર. ધ ઓથર of Introductory Soil Sciences, D.K. Das. Chapter 2, Rocks and Mineral. The science which deals with study of origin of rocks is petrology, while pedology is description of soil, while edaphology is study of soil in relation to plant. Then sedimentary rock are also known as stratified rock. Marble is a metamorphic rock converted from limestone to action of heat. માર્બલ છે એ મેટામોર્ફિક રોક છે, જે લાઇમસ્ટોનમાંથી બનાવવામાં આવ્યો છે અને એનું જે એક્શન છે એ હીટના હિસાબે બને છે. વોટર પ્લે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ રોલ ઇન ફોર્મેશન ઓફ સેડિમેન્ટરી રોક. ધ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ગ્રેન સાઇઝ ઇન rudiaceous sedimentary rock is boulders and pebbles. Argillaceous rock have individual grain size of clay. Apatite mineral is the source of phosphorus in the soil. The clay fraction of soil particle has diameter less than 0.002 mm. Mineral soil having specific gravity less than 2.85 is considered as light soil. Pyrites is a heavy mineral. આમ તો ક્વાર્ટ્સ હોય છે, પણ આની અંદર ક્વાર્ટ્સ, ફેલ્ફેર અને મુસ્કોવાઇટમાંથી પાયરાઇટ છે એ હેવી મિનરલ છે. ફેલ્ડસ્પેર ઇઝ અ પ્રાઇમરી મિનરલ. કેમિકલ ફોર્મ્યુલા ફોર હેમિટાઇટ ઇઝ Fe2O3. When magma is solidified at moderate depth, it is called intrusive rock. Native of graphite is carbon. Rock is a mixture of mineral. The native element of diamond is carbon. When magma is solidified at a depth of 2 to 3 miles or greater depth, it is plutonic rock. Weathering and soil formation. Physical weathering is also known as disintegration. Chemical weathering is known as decomposition. Hydration means a chemical combination of water molecule with a particular mineral. Hydrolysis may be considered as chemical principal agent of clay formation. Material transported and deposited by water is alluvium. Wind blow material termed as losses. Climate is a soil active forming factor. The relief referred to differentiate in elevation of land surface. The time that nature devote to formation of soil is termed as pedologic time. Huminification is the process of decomposition of organic matter and synthesis of new organic substance. A soil profile contains 4 main horizon: O horizon, A horizon, B horizon and C horizon. The parent material from which soil is formed is a C horizon. A plus B is known as soilum. Desert soil are developed under influence of physical weathering. A horizon is also designated as elevated horizon. The distinguished layer in the soil profile is known as horizon. Chemical weathering is also known as decomposition. Which horizon is a storehouse of plant nutrient? It is B horizon. The process of mixing of soil is pedoturbation. A plus B horizon is known as solemn. The basic system of soil classification and marketing આ એક ઇન્ટરનેટમાંથી જોઈ લેવો. There are five categories. There are two categories of classification of soil taxonomy. Deep black soil, also known as regur. Residual sandy soil of Gujarat, classified as Eusterothans and Eustements of anti-soil. Little profile development in major soil characteristic of anti-soil. Dry soil is major characteristic of arid soil. High swelling clay, deep crack when soil dry and dark color. It is major characteristic of vertisoil. અને આનું એક્ઝામ્પલ છે મોન્ટમોરિલોનાઇટ. Red color in a red soil, it is due to iron oxide. The soil which is mostly found in high rainfall, it is lateritic soil. Soil have development in arid region, mostly under influence of physical weathering, is desert soil. The order of deep black soil is vertisoil. Black soil are also known as regur or regur. Recently soil order is a anti-soil. અને આનો આન્સર આવશે અત્યારે ઇન્સેપ્ટિસોલ. આનો એક જોઈ લેવું. આનો આન્સર છે એન્ટીસોલ છે, જે રિસેન્ટલી બની છે. એટલે આ એક જોઈ લેજો ક્વેશ્ચન. The order of soil derived in arid and semi-arid zone. The order is derived from arid and semi-arid zone is aridosol. Soil component and physical properties. MCQ1. The horizontal dimension are higher than the vertical direction. It is called plate structure. The size of silt particle is 0.02 to 0.002 mm. Total porosity is more in clay soil. The best agriculture soil structure is loam soil. Chemically most active soil separate is clay soil. Relative proportion of sand, silt and clay is soil texture. U denote color, a dominant spectral color. Value denote darker and lighter color. Chroma છે એ purity of color denote કરે છે. Particle density of soil is always more than bulk density. International system of naming soil separate commonly follow in India. Pipette method is universally employed for carried out mechanical analysis of soil. Generally, particle density is 2.65 gram per cc. Size of soil clay particle is less than 0.002. Attraction between clay and water is adhesion. અલગ અલગ particle હોય તો adhesion થાય. The bulk density of soil is always less than particle density in cultivable soil. Total porosity will be more in clay soil. Attraction between two similar particles તો cohesion. અલગ અલગ હોય તો adhesion. The particle density of soil is always more than bulk density. Attraction between clay and water is adhesion. Relative proportion of sand, silt and clay is soil texture. Most active soil component is clay. Chapter number 6. Soil water. The phenomena is commonly evidenced at water-air interference is known as hydrolysis. આમાં એક જોઈ લેશું શું આવશે. The gravitational potential of water is always negative. Osmotic potential is always negative. At field capacity, water is held with the force of 1 by 3 atmosphere. AWC is field capacity minus permanent melting point available water is equal to the time that nature devote to the formation of soil is termed as pedologic time. Condition of soil when all large and small pores are filled with water is saturated. The relative age movement of water within soil is permeability. The water held tightly on soil surface, the colloidal particle is known as hygroscopic water. The simple method of determination of moisture is neutron scattering. Two water molecules held by hydrogen bond. Attraction between clay and water, it is adhesion. The H plus atom attached to oxygen. H plus atom attached to oxygen water molecule at the angle of 105 આવશે પણ એકવાર કન્ફર્મ કરી લેવું. A simple method of determination of moisture is neutron scattering. Two water molecules held by hydrogen bond. The zeta potential is the magnitude of negative charge colloid particle. Gravitational water occupy macropore. Capillary water is available to plants. Question chapter 7 soil air and soil temperature. આ MCQ જે MCQ છે એ તમારે એકવાર જોવા પડશે અલગથી. બધાના આન્સર આમાં ટીક નથી. જે આવડી આપણે અત્યારે જોઈ લેશું. The part of soil volume that is not occupied by soil particle, it is known as pore space. Then skip કરશું. Question number 8. The optimum temperature for the activity of most microorganisms is in the range of 35 થી 45 degree Celsius. CO2 content in cultivable soil is 0.25%. Part per million is mg per kg. Part per million is mg per kg. Then soil colloids particle less than 0.001 mm size possess colloidal property is known as soil colloids. The adsorption of phosphate ion in the lowest when medium is neutral. Kaolin clay has greater anion absorbing capacity. The minute colloidal clay particle is technically micelle. Hydrogen ion behaves a polyvalent ion. The absorption of phosphate ion is the lowest when medium is neutral. Kaolinite is an example of 1:1 type clay mineral and it is non-expanding type. Thomas and Way first recognized cation exchange phenomena. Milli-equivalent is defined as 1 milligram of hydrogen or the amount of any other ion that will combine with or displace it. Water remain around the cation is very thin film which is called water hull. Silica, the silica tetrahedral has 4-side configuration. Montmorillonite chemical have expanding type structure. Particle less than 0.002 mm size possess colloidal particle are known as soil colloid. 1 milli-equivalent hydrogen ion is equal to 20 milligram calcium ion. 1 milli-equivalent hydrogen ion is equal to 12 milligram. 12 milligram. 1 milli equivalent hydrogen ion is equal to 20 milligram calcium ion, and 1 milligram hydrogen ion is equal to 12 milligram. Milligram upon 100 gram is equal to milli equivalent upon 100 gram into equivalent weight. The next chapter is soil organic matter. The transformation of organic nitrogenous compound into ammonia. Transformation of organic nitrogenous compound into ammonia is ammonification. The process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate and then into nitrate, ammonia to nitrate and then nitrate, it is called nitrification. Nitrobacter is considered to be most important of soil organisms that bring about conversion of NO2 into NO3. Nitrobacter is considered as most important soil organism bringing about conversion into ammonia to નાઇટ્રેટ. એમાં આવશે નાઇટ્રોઝોમોનસ બેક્ટેરિયા આવશે કે જે અમોનિયામાંથી પહેલાં નાઇટ્રાઇટ કરે અને નાઇટ્રાઇટમાંથી નાઇટ્રેટ કરે તો નાઇટ્રોબેક્ટર આવશે. અહીંયા રોંગ છે. હ્યુમસ ઇઝ અ મેડઅપ ઓફ બોથ એ એન્ડ બી, હ્યુમક મટીરિયલ અને નિયોનમિક મટીરિયલ. CN રેશિયો નોર્મલ સોઇલનો 10:1 હોય છે. Conversion of organic phosphorus into available phosphorus, the process is mineralization. Soil biology, the scientific study of life in or on the soil is soil biology. The soil environment under the influence of plant root is a rhizosphere. Chemical substances such as streptomycin, widely used as antibiotic, are obtained from soil fungus. Actinomyces are transition between bacteria and fungi. Algae contain chlorophyll, therefore they manufacture their own food. Actinomyces regulating the number of bacteria in the soil. Nitrogen fixed by microorganism in the soil. Biofertilizer. The group of bacteria fix nitrogen in association with legume plant is a symbiotic nitrogen fixation or symbiotic bacteria. The process of conversion of protein into amino acid is aminization. Rhizobium is a symbiotic nitrogen fixation, while Azolla is free living non-symbiotic. Azospirillum is a associate non-symbiotic. The optimum range of temperature for activity of microorganisms is 20 થી 35 degree Celsius. Thank you. સોઇલ કેમિસ્ટ્રી, સોઇલ ફર્ટિલિટી એન્ડ ન્યુટ્રિયન્ટ મેનેજમેન્ટ નેક્સ્ટ પાર્ટમાં આપણે કવર કરશું.